Imagine closing a client and handing them a visa-ready, signed case study generated from a 10-minute chat before your coffee's gone. Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast, episode 87. I'm Marcus Chen, and over the next minutes, you'll get a concise, ethical automation that turns short client interviews into polished PDFs you can use for sales and visa evidence.
Hold up. Generated and visa ready? That sounds fast. I'm all for speed, but I want verification baked into the flow.
Totally. Speed is the headline. Verification is the backbone. The system I'll walk you through requires client consent, source files or screenshots, a human QA step, and a sign-off before anything is published. Fast runtimes don't replace proof. They package it.
Good. Make it defensible. Embassies and clients will ask for receipts, not marketing copy.
Exactly. Start with a short intake that captures the core facts, project scope, 3 key metrics with dates, an upload field for raw reports, and a consent checkbox that timestamps automatically. Put that into Airtable or Notion so everything's auditable.
So, tools. What's the minimum viable stack someone needs to try this today?
Keep it lean. Typeform or Google Forms for intake, Zapier or Make for orchestration, an LLM, OpenAI or Anthropic for extraction and writing, Airtable or Notion for records, Docs Templator or PDF Monkey for PDF generation, and Stripe or Gumroad for payments and delivery.
Why choose Docs Templator over a click-and-drag PDF builder?
Templating gives you pixel-accurate control, signatures, legal blocks, citation links, things embassies or enterprise clients notice. No-code PDF builders are faster to start with, but templates scale and look professional when you need formal documentation. All right, let me walk you through the setup like you're at a co-working desk with 2 coffees. Step 1. Build the intake form. 8 to 10 fields. Client name, short project summary, 3 metrics with dates, start-end dates, upload and consent checkbox. Step 2. Webhook the submission to your automation platform, so every entry becomes a record in Airtable.
Wait, what does the LLM chain actually do in the middle? Because that's where things either become useful or dangerously vague.
Good call. Split the LLM work into 3 short calls so the model has a clear job at each step.
Call 1. Metrics extractor. Send the raw answers and ask for strict JSON with numeric fields, units, timestamps, a confidence flag, and sources. If something's unclear, confidence becomes 0 and you note what's missing.
So you force structure before anything gets written. I like that.
Call 2. Narrative builder. Feed the verified JSON and the 100-word project summary and ask for a 250-word case study with a headline, quick problem statement, the intervention, and 3 short outcome lines, each tied to a metric. Call 3. Microcopy generator. 30-word sales blurb and a social post. Keep it punchy and factual.
Give me those exact prompts. People always want a copy-paste starting point.
Metric extractor system prompt. You are a precise data extractor. Receive a client's free text answers and return only JSON with keys revenue before, revenue after, conversion before, conversion after, time frame, measurement method, confidence 0 to 1, sources. If any metric is missing or ambiguous, set confidence to 0 and include a note field explaining what's missing. Narrative Builder System Prompt. You are a professional case study writer. Using the provided JSON and the client summary, write a 250-word case study with a persuasive headline, 1-sentence problem setup, 1 paragraph on the approach, and 3 short outcomes, each with a quantified metric and time frame. End with a 30-word client quote placeholder. Client quote. Keep tone factual, no embellishment.
Clean. Now, let's talk money. How do you sell this without sounding like a pushy add-on?
Productize into 3 offers, one-off write-ups, licensed template bundles, and a retainer that keeps your case study library fresh. Price bands $250 to $800 one-offs, $80 to $300 templates, and $500 to $2,500 monthly retainers, depending on service level.
$500 retainer? I need a quick ROI example there. Some listeners work with micro businesses.
Fair. If one polished case study helps a client close a single $5,000 contract, that $500 monthly fee is tiny compared to the upside. Offer at a scaled basic tier for microbusinesses. Fewer metrics, a faster turnaround, lower price. Show ROI examples in your sales copy. Numbers sell better than promises.
Risks. Call them out plainly. What should listeners lock down before they launch?
3 risks: overstated metrics, incomplete consent records, and bland AI copy. Fixes: require source uploads and a signed checkbox. Store consent logs in Airtable with timestamps. Run a human QA step with a verification prompt. And label unverifiable numbers as client reported in the PDF with a link to the raw file.
Listeners want something immediate. Give us a 10-minute task we can actually finish right now.
10-minute sprint. Open Typeform or Google Forms and create a 1-page intake with these fields: project summary, 3 metrics with dates, upload, and consent checkbox. Then paste the metric extractor prompt into an LLM playground and run a sample answer. You'll see the JSON and spot where you need to tighten questions.
2 coffees and 10 minutes. Either you have a form or a very honest diary entry. Either way, you'll learn fast.
Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary. If you want the full automation workbook, ready-made prompts, DOCX templates, and make Zapier recipes, enroll in our high-income remote skills course at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses.
One last practical note. Start small. Test 1 client. Keep the human in the loop early. Then tighten prompts and templates. The human plus AI advantage beats fully automated trust issues every time.
That's your AI blueprint for today. Ready to implement this at a higher level? Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary.
See you tomorrow with another workflow you can run on the road. Let's make this actually work for you.